Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove a device from Find My Device app on iPhone. So if you have all your device added to Find My Device on your iPhone, and now you want to remove at least one of these devices from your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to remove a device from Find My Device app or Find My app, all you need to do is go ahead and open Find My. If you're on People, go ahead and click on Devices, then swipe up. Now, you should see a list of all the devices you have connected to the Find My app on your iPhone. Then locate the device you want to remove and click on it. Then once you click on the device you want to remove from Find My, swipe up, locate and click on Remove this device. Once you click on Remove this device, spot that says Remove this. Here, I want to remove my iPad. Then remove from account. Removing this iPad will allow it to be activated and used by another person. So in this case, just go ahead and tap Remove. Then once you click on the Remove button, this is going to remove the device from the Find My app on your iPhone. But before that, you'll be prompted to type in your Apple account password. And once you type in your Apple account password, click on the OK button at top right and then you are good. So that's exactly how to remove a device from Find My app. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.